Welcome to this lecture. In this lecture we are going to learn about data types. Here are the important data types in Go language. So the first one is Boolean. Boolean is the data type which is used to store true or false value. Representation is bool and example is here true or false. And the second one is numeric. Numeric data type consists of two types. So the first one is floating point values and second one is integer values. Floating point values are like 3.44 and integer values are 232. Numeric is the arithmetic type. Here is the string types. String is the combination of numeric alphabets and special characters. It is the sequence of byte. Now we are going to word implementation. Here you can create variable like first one is b, bool, variable f, float 32, var integer int, and var s for string. And now you can print data types, remove ln, use fmt printf, modular operator, capital T for we are going to print data types, so we are using capital T. By using capital T you can display the data type of the variable. So T and T. By using /n for new line you can change the line, comma, and here B, I, F and S. Run the program. So the first one is bool, second one is float 32, int, integer, string, and run the program again. And now fmt printf, by using we can display the value of variable. So run the program, and the initial value of bool for bool is false. So for float is 0, for integer also 0, and for string use q like quotation is empty. So thank you for watching this video.